Right, now you're judging me. Can you get up? Mate, what on earth are you doing? Right, mate, are you excited? This is our first Rubik's Cube competition. First one! Are you excited? Yeah? Hello? Why are you looking at me? Right, come on, let's go. In the room you get. Right, what did I say about pushing people? Oh, what's happened there? Oh, someone broken the chair. So, right, what? Yeah, alright, you can go in there. Because that's my reserved seat over there. God's sake. God's sake, just go in the extra chair room. Why is there one in the ceiling? Jesus Christ. Great, look what you're doing, you're breaking all the chairs. Oh, Jesus Christ, right. Have fun time in there. Hi guys, doing? I'll just sit down here. You know what, I don't need a chair. Said I don't need a chair, so you can get it out of my sight, man. Get out of there. Right. Are you judging me? Come on, wait, get this chair up here. Because we don't need chairs where we're going. No, tables where we're going. Right, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it correctly. Son, watch this. What on earth is he doing? Right, mate, what on earth are you doing? Stay away. Why is he just looking at the wall, anyways? Right, judge me. Judge me. You ready? Did I do it? Did I do it good? How fast was that? 4 seconds. God's sake. Only 4 seconds, man. I could have gotten lower. Right, come on, come judge me again. Why are you trying to fight me now, mate? God's sake. I'm not trying to fight, just saying. Why are you tap dancing me? Stop trying to tap dance. Right, come judge me, mate. You don't. Screw you. Who just said okay? I swear to God, I'll scrap every single one of yous. Right, come on down here. Right, now you're judging me. Can you get up? Right. You ready? Yeah. Then get ready. 3, 2, Jesus Christ. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Did I do it? How fast? 4 seconds. Again. Right, get over there. Now, view me from a distance so you can get more an accurate thing. 3, 2, 1. Oh no, I misturned. God's sake. Get out the window. Get out the window. You can also get out, mate. I'm the world champion. I am the world champion. Billy, did you hear that? I'm the world champion. Right. Billy, you go do a solve, I'll judge you. I got 3 seconds and 2 milliseconds, alright? So you see if you can beat that. Alright? 3, 2, 1, go. Um. Oh, sorry, mate. You got 303. Definitely not 2.8. So no one will know. No one will ever know. No one has to know. No one will ever know. Get out. Get out. Out the window. For God's sake. No more witnesses, alright? Think I just hit my windowsill. Who cares? Get out, Mosh. Oh, I forgot about him. Shh, no one will have to know. We just, no one will ever know, alright? He's dead now, so get out there. Oh no. Oh my bad, dude. You're chill, mate. Shh, 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 shh. You were the last. No one has to know. Come on. Get out the window, please. I don't want anyone to know about this. Get out. Right, let's put all the tables back in this room. And then it'll be set up like it never even happened, alright? So, set everything back up. You right, mate? Forgot about the body in the wardrobe. Right. I don't actually know how this was set up, but it's definitely not set up how it was. Because since that guy at the back broke a lot of the chairs. Sake. I think they need to get rid of a few chairs. Right. Oh, Billy. R.I.P. Billy. Gonna have to get a new one. I'll carry him back. I'll carry him to the cemetery. Carry him. Oh, sorry, mate. Yeah, I'll carry you to the cemetery, mate. Can you just be held properly? Right. Goodbye. Oh, sorry, mate. Let's go. God's sake, this house is a bit ugly anyway. Get down there. Do you want to get a bite to eat before we go? Let's steal some food from that table. Right, you're going in there. You know what? You can stay here. I don't actually want to stay here. I don't actually want to be here, so you can stay there. And I am leaving. Where's the leave place for this? Through these doors. I'm never coming here again, Billy. Never doing a Rubik's Cube competition again. Bye.